She is not allowed to do it. You can't film.
Yeah, you
It's
can.
our house. Well, right now it's ours.
You need to stay in your lane.
You really do.
You got
not
it?
point at me.
I will point at you.
This corrupt and egotistical security guard would get educated and dismissed by these federal officers.
Stop. So you gotta go. Go to the loading dock. Whatever you need to do. Can't be here. Okay. All right. Go.
It began on November 13th, 2023, when a man arrived at a federal building to make a records request, only to be denied access by the security guard immediately.
You're not coming in.
Why not?
Just go on the FAA website.
How come I'm not coming in?
Because who are you here to see?
I'm here to do a Freedom of Information Act request.
Who are you here to see them?
Whoever the PRO is.
Public relations
Well,
officer.
see, here's the problem.
Sure, go ahead.
The FAA isn't here. They're only here for appointments. So did you see our parking lot, how full it was? Your people.
I'm gonna be real
No,
clear about this, Steve.
He can come to the federal building and conduct business.
There's no one here to see him.
That's
It's an
fine.
appointment
So all we have to do is let him know that, right? Hey, the people you're wanting to see here, give them a number, give them a contact, something like that. But there's nothing out here that says that this building's closed to appointments only.
I understand.
So the building's not closed, so he can come into the federal facility.
There's no one here to see him.
Okay, so we need to get him the information for the person that he needs to see.
The federal officers, Michael and Carlos, were actually called to the building once the man began filming, but instead of telling him to stop, they would protect him against the corrupt security guard.
Oh, over there?
No, you're not.
Why?
This is a lobby.
Yeah, he can go over there.
No, he can't.
It's not unrestricted area.
It is. It is a restricted area.
It's not restricted.
What says that it's restricted for?
Show me a restricted sign. Show me an employees only sign.
Everywhere you go, you have to be escorted. Every visitor has to be escorted in this building.
In restricted space.
No, in all spaces.
Restricted spaces.
I'm telling you.
But
Hey, fire.
it's not on your car. It's not on you.
I get it.
You get
But the FAA says it is escort only.
okay. In space. Tenant space.
I'll have the president. You can't even go back there.
Hey, watch me. I'm gonna walk over
You
there,
can go over there.
and you're not gonna do anything about it.
Yeah,
Okay?
because you have these guys right here stopping.
Whoa. Think about what you're saying, dude.
You can't-
They're federal law enforcement officers that actually know what they're talking about. You need to stay in your lane.
You really do.
You got
Not
it?
point at me.
I will point at you. What are you gonna do about it?
He can point all he wants.
The security guard was a contract staff member, and both federal officers were basically his supervisors. So talking to them like that was a huge career risk, and he would soon learn that.
Dude. If I need to talk to Jim, I will. But you gotta cut it out at this point. I'm telling you, right now, on a contract standpoint, you gotta stop. You gotta go to the loading dock. Whatever you need to do. You need to go on a patrol, but you can't be here. Okay?
All right.
Go.
I'll walk with you.
Good, how you doing? Hey, guys, thank you for standing up for my liberty. Seriously, I really
Have a
mean
good
it.
one, man.
Thanks. Are you an employer? Okay. My name is... nice to meet you.
How are you?
The officers upheld the man's rights to the fullest and eventually watched him leave the building upon completion of his affairs. It remains unclear what happened with the security guard, but he was either suspended for several days or fired.
We own the building right now. Shut up. Don't talk to me like that. Shut up. I don't work for you. Don't talk to me like that.
This undersheriff thought he could challenge this officer on legal business, but would end up humiliating himself and getting arrested. It started on May 21st, 2020, when Espanola police officers were dispatched to the county's sheriff department to arrest the sheriff for helping his friend evade police. The officers also had a search warrant for the building, meaning the department's undersheriff couldn't enter the building until after the search, and he didn't like that very much.
Morning, sir. Executing search warrant. Sheriff Lujan. For the building as well. I have no idea. It's house. But no, just stay here. No, I can't have you enter the scene.
You guys are up, man.
I got the press out here taking pictures of me in handcuffs.
Push him around into the doorway. Yeah, push him around into the doorway. At least to the doorway.
Aye!
This is ridiculous.
Keep him up there. Come over here, sir. Keep him up there. Let's go. Stay out here.
Put him on the side of the truck. Put him on the outside of the truck.
It hurts. They're loose, sir. They're loose.
No, they're not.
Y'all arresting him?
I have no idea what's going on right there, sir.
You guys didn't have plans or anything?
That's all with Taos County deputies and Sheriff's Office.
And you guys let the news lady in there?
I don't know how she went in there on that side. I don't know. I just got my area to cover in this side.
Well, maybe you should tell her to leave. I can't go in. Why is she in there?
Again, I don't know if she climbed that side or what. Again, this is my area.
Tell the radio, tell them to take that lady out of there too. I can't go in, but she can. Come on, Nana.
No, I get what you're saying, but I just have my specific duties to do, and that's just this side. This
Well, I
side.
know, stay here, but get on the radio, tell her to get out of there.
I'm not doing anything like that. That's on that side.
What do you want to do, Sheriff?
Right now, I'm under arrest. Because I am under arrest. I am in handcuffs. I'm not free to leave. I'm not free to leave? Am I free to leave? No. Then, if I'm under arrest, I have a right to an attorney, correct?
You do.
Okay.
And I'm not questioning.
I'm invoking
I'm
my
telling
right
you,
to an
I'm
attorney
telling
right now.
Okay.
Do you understand that?
So, take your in.
Book me for
Booking.
what?
For obstruction. Obstruction. Booking.
I'm not obstructing.
Take him over here to our unit. Take him over here to our unit.
Over here, Sheriff. Over here. Sheriff.
They're gonna book me.
The sheriff was arrested, and the undersheriff was so enraged by this incident that he ordered his deputies to draw their guns and surround the other agencies to intimidate them during their investigation. And this had a very catastrophic effect.
What you guys are doing? We're trying to do everything peacefully. We tried to. Okay? That's all we're doing. We're done here. We're leaving.
Okay, well, get out of here then. You're done. Get out.
We'll leave when we're ready.
You said you were done.
Yeah, we're wrapping it up right now. You know how it goes. You know how it goes. We're doing our law enforcement duty. That's it. District court signed it. That's it. Okay, so as soon as we're done, we're gonna get out of your hair. Why are you calling everybody here to
This
put them
is
in
our
jail?
house.
Well, right now it's ours. Right now it's ours.
We own the building right now. Shut up. Don't talk to me like that. Shut up. I don't work for you. Don't talk to me like that. Easy.
Get there, let's go. Are we done in here?
Do we have what we can? Yes. Okay. Go.
Are we clear? Everybody out? Hey, pull that crime paper out. We're going. No idea. Go ask him.
You guys didn't let me in, but you let her in.
I have no idea, sir.
You find out for me?
You go ask him. This is your house. You go ask him.
Oh, now it's my house.
Yeah, it is now.
Okay, later.
We just gave it back to you.
Okay, well, let leave.
After the incident, the sheriff was sentenced to 3 years in prison for aiding a felon and intimidating a witness, and a warrant was issued for the undersheriff for solicitation to commit aggravated assault upon a police officer. But before the officers could arrest him, he drove down to the police department with his lawyer and turned himself in.
You, sir?
Good, how are you, brother?
Good. Would you like a copy of the...
I would,
Okay.
thank you. And you are?
I'm Officer Harwell. This is Officer Ukiti.
Kitty?
Urquidi, yes, sir.
Kitty. Bill Snowden.
Good to meet
Nice
you,
to
Bill.
meet you. You guys know Martine?
Yes, we do. We're going to escort you back to the booking room now, okay?
Go. Be safe.
It's pretty
No, I mean this reason.
He appeared calmer in this interaction with the officers and was booked into the county jail without incident. However, this officer would try to bully a woman into obeying him.
Set of rules.
What I'm saying is she's not breaking the law.
She is. You don't get it.
This security guard bullied a woman for videoing a public building and would get humiliated by officers and eventually fired.
You can't film.
Yeah, you can.
No, oh my God, dude.
If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe. On May 6, 2024, a Montgomery citizen arrived at the county clerk's office and started filming the property when a security officer confronted her.
You could ask. It doesn't necessarily mean I'm going to answer.
Well, you're on government property, so I do require an answer.
I don't have to. I decline to answer. Respectfully decline to answer.
Okay, well, you have to have permission to film here. This is county government property.
Do you know what the First Amendment is?
You know what, ma'am? You're on county government property. You have to obtain permission to film.
No, we
here.
don't.
We'll just have you removed. It's that simple.
I'm here. I'm here on official business anyway.
And what is that? What is your official
It's
title?
none of your business.
None of my business. Okay.
Just stay away from me. I'm
We
just.
don't have to go this way, but if you
You're
want to
right.
go this
We
way,
don't
we
have
will.
to. I'm not breaking any laws.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not.
Okay. We'll just have you trespass. You can't do that here. They have rules.
We have First Amendment.
Ma'am.
Rules don't trump the Constitution, sir.
The security officer seemed pretty agitated by the woman's refusal to state her business or stop filming, even though she wasn't mandated to. So he called actual police officers. But if you think he would back off and let them handle her on arrival, you'd be incredibly mistaken.
Hey, sir, how you doing? Good. I'm scared for my safety of this guy. I have everything on film. I'm here to do official business. Okay. And I'm exercising my First Amendment right. That's what I'm doing. Okay. That's what I'm doing. He's security. I'm not breaking any laws.
So I mean, you're just going around filming?
Yeah.
So she's not allowed to film here unless you have explicit permission from the facilities engineering manager. Those are the rules here. This is county government property. This is not public property, ma'am.
Government is public property.
No, it is not. I'm sorry, but you cannot film here without permission.
I don't need anybody's permission to exercise my First Amendment right.
Hey, so I just got off the phone with my lieutenant.
Yeah.
And I mean, he said she's good to film and walk around.
No, she's not. She's not. You don't know the rules here.
Right.
Okay, you need to check with somebody before you make that.
That's my lieutenant.
Dude, I don't care. The rules here, I enforce. I want her off the property. She's not allowed to film. That's not up for debate. Period. I mean, do I have to call, Mayor something?
I mean, if you want. I mean, like I said, I just got off the phone with my lieutenant.
I don't care what your lieutenant said. He doesn't know the rules here either. Okay? She's not allowed to film without written consent from who is the facilities manager.
Right.
If I ask her what she's doing, I expect an answer. It's none of your business. I'll do whatever I want. I want her off the property. It's that simple. She's not allowed to do what she's doing. Your lieutenant, it's not his decision to make. These are the rules.
But I mean,
period. And I enforce them. If there's a problem with that, I'll if you're not going to back me up, then I'll.
It's not that I'm not
it is.
wanting to.
Yes,
It's that, like
she's not allowed to do what she's doing. You don't get it.
But I mean, legally,
government.
she's not.
When I called you guys, I expect to be backed up.
Secure.
Okay, not to be told what it's like off property. But what on property, it's a different set of rules.
What I'm saying is she's not breaking the law.
She is. You don't get it. You just don't get it, dude. You work for the county. You don't get it. She's not allowed to do what she's doing on county government property. Either escort her off or please give me your name and badge number so I can take it higher. I'm sick to death of not being backed up here. Okay? I'm trying to do the job they tell me to do, and you guys are cutting me off at the knees. She's not allowed to do what she's doing. She's not allowed to film me without my express permission, and I don't give it. She needs to go. Period. This is county government property.
And I work for the county.
Yes, then why are you not backing me up here?
Because
enforcing the rules that I have to enforce here.
I mean,
if you cut me off at the knees, then you effectively cut my job off. I have no authority here to do my job if you don't back me up.
I'm not.
I will call Wes and talk to him about this. Okay. I've already had to do it once already. Okay?
Yeah.
Unbelievable, man. We're supposed to be working together here. We're both county.
Right.
Right?
I mean, but she's not causing a disturbance. She's not hurting anybody.
Not listening.
I mean,
it doesn't. None of that's irrelevant. It's irrelevant. She can't do what she's doing. She's filming me without my permission on this property is not acceptable.
But I mean, she's allowed to. That's not against the law either.
Dude, yes, you don't have no idea what goes on here. You need to learn what goes on here before you come make a decision, because you don't know. You do not know.
Am I getting an escort to do a public record?
No,
I'm not talking to you, sir.
I'm security here, and I'm telling you, you're not going in that building filming. She's not doing it.
I'm not talking to you, sir.
She's not doing it. Period.
But she's allowed to.
No, she's not.
I mean, like, legally.
Oh my God, you have hard head. She is not allowed to do it. You can't film.
Yeah.
No, oh my God, dude. You cannot on government property without consent.
The officer bagged the woman and tried to educate the security guard, who felt betrayed and tried to guilt him. He appeared very confident of his claims, and both the officer and his sergeant confirmed that he had no idea what he was talking about.
No, you're good. You're not doing anything wrong as long
Yeah,
as
that's
you're
why
outside.
they inquire about the public records.
Absolutely. Absolutely. No, as long as you're not accessing restricted areas or anything like that.
Correct.
Yeah. No, you're good. We just gotta.
I'm just afraid that he's gonna put hands on me.
No, he's not gonna do that. Yeah.
Okay. So
And
I
that-
can-
No, you're fine. Yeah, like I said, you're not
Just as
detained.
long
You're
as
free
you
to
don't
leave.
access restricted areas, you're good to go.
Yeah. Just want to keep an eye on him because, you know, like I told her, or I told him, you know, like she's free to film wherever.
The woman was allowed back into the property and finished her activities without further obstruction from the security guard, who was fired days later after several calls to the mayor and his employer regarding the incident. They showed him that being a security guard didn't make him king. However, this man with full police gear on wasn't actually a fake cop, but a real criminal.
The offense where you were arrested in Baltimore City.
Me?
Yeah, in 2015.
And the officers would drill him hard for this.
Did we not do this in front of everybody? I mean, really?
You're doing just fine keeping your hands
Okay. Yeah.
If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe. It started on September 5th, 2025, when Washington police received a report of an armed man in a police uniform claiming to be law enforcement.
Is he working security for you? That guy is? I'm good.
You gonna come back over here?
I was talking to some other guys. So you work for Edmonds PD?
I do.
Okay.
Yeah, and this is a part-time gig.
Got you. Do you have your commission card with you?
Yeah, give me a minute.
As you might have guessed, the unknown man named Michael Scaletta would never actually find his police commission card because only police officers were given commission cards and he wasn't a police officer. But he had almost everything else an officer had, including what looked like an unmarked police vehicle and even a fake police story to go with it.
No, didn't find it?
Sorry? No, he's going to, it's in my other bag.
Oh, okay.
It's, he's grabbing it now.
Okay, how long have you been
apologize.
working for the Salvation Army?
Sorry?
How long have you been working off duty for the Salvation Army?
I'm here almost every other week.
Every other week?
Yeah, and then I also work down at the KRM.
Okay. And what's your full name?
Mezzy Scaletta. M-E-Z-Z-Y.
That's your-
S-C-A-L-E-T-T-A.
So your first name is Mizzy?
M-E-Z-Z-Y, correct.
And Scaletta?
S-C-A-L-E-T-T-A.
Okay, what's your middle initial?
Anthony. And 81076. Hey, man. Yeah, it's going to be the green bag. And it's got the my wallet with the credentials and everything inside it.
Is it a loaded firearm that you have with you, Mr. Scaletta?
Correct.
Okay, can you put your hands on the car, please?
Did we not do this in front of everybody? I mean, really?
You're doing just fine keeping your hands
Okay. Yeah.
I appreciate
no
it.
problem, man.
Give me another time. So you're not under arrest right now? Okay.
Yes, sir. Can you call my...
Yeah, we can take care of all that.
Yeah.
We can take care of all that. We can make all the phone calls that needs to be done. What agency did you say you were with?
Edmonds?
You were with that.
Edmonds, yes.
Okay. You understand you're just being detained?
I understand the whole process. Yes, I do. Okay.
What's your first name?
Mezzy. M-E-Z-Z-Y.
Mezzy, I'm Trevor. So, you understand why you're detained right now or no?
I don't know.
I think
why you did doing what you're doing. But
Okay. Is it okay if I explain some of it?
Sure.
Okay. So first off, if you are a commissioned police officer in this state, you'll be taken out of cuffs, and I will formally apologize.
Thank you.
Okay?
No problem.
All right. Here's a couple problems, though. I'm one of the supervisors in the city right now. If Salvation Army is hiring uniformed commissioned law enforcement, who's going to be carrying badge, gun, vest, especially not in our agency? As far as I'm concerned, let me finish.
First of all, I did not have a weapon on while I was on duty, and I was leaving. I'm off duty. I was leaving.
Okay.
Okay. So that's number
let
one.
him explain.
Okay.
Let him explain.
Sure. Go ahead.
So if you're us, and especially if you're law enforcement, you understand. We see a guy with detective badge, police badge. I think there's a SWAT badge somewhere on there as well, right? In our jurisdiction, and we haven't been notified that hey, Salvation Army's got armed law enforcement. That's not true. You might have just been going from your employment to your car. However, when we came across you, right, you're uniformed and armed. When we came across you, that's an accurate statement. So the concern is, especially because we weren't given notification, right?
I'm not operating. I'm not working. I'm not.
Well, here's the problem.
Leaving.
Well, it's messy, right?
Correct.
Here's the problem with that. You're leaving. Even if you're leaving, Salvation Army, this is the #1 crime hotspot in the entire city for us.
I know this.
Let me talk.
I'm a retired Baltimore City.
Okay.
27 years. I come out here. Okay.
Then let me
You know what
talk.
I mean? I get it.
Then let me
I'm
talk.
sorry.
I think we're getting our wires crossed a little bit, because what I'm trying to get you to understand is, I understand that you're just leaving if you're off duty. But if you know that this is the highest crime area, right? If you know this is the highest crime area in the city, and you know that that's likely to do with your law enforcement experience, and we're going to be in the area, probably not the best idea to be wearing a vest, armed, going to and from, because it's going to make us think some things, up to and including possible criminal impersonation of a police officer. That's why you're detained. We get all that checked out, and you know what? Sure. This might be an error for their bosses and our bosses, because if this is all true, right, and we weren't, and we just weren't notified, that's what could have solved this, is an email saying, hey, just so you know, there's a guy, he's law enforcement, he's being hired off duty at Salvation Army, you may see him come and go from the parking lot. That's what we'd say. Sounds good. We've heard nothing. Okay. Have you heard anything about this? No. Have you heard anything about this?
With all this attention from the officers, Michael was better off coming clean and facing the consequences, but he only dug himself even deeper. Not only was he not law enforcement, he was also a convicted felon who seemed to have mental issues and had no business carrying a gun.
He was involved in like a SWAT incident where he barricaded himself inside and had like a whole threat of like blow the place up. So it was like a bomb threat. SWAT was involved. They came out. He was detained and arrested in District of Columbia. That was from Lynx back in 2015. He's saying that he retired from Baltimore City Police after doing like 24 years or something, 4 years ago, which he's a convicted felon who wouldn't be retiring 4 years ago.
100% the right call. Across the board. Did you see my face once that dawned on me?
Yeah.
What was going on?
Yeah. Super constricted, and he's hella jittery. So I don't know if he's on something.
Interestingly, officers discovered that before the arrest, he responded to real 911 calls alongside the officers and engaged with them at multiple crime scenes, with this being the first time they questioned his police status. He had no police commission card, no law enforcement history, and his alleged police department denied hiring him, but he still tried to lie his way out.
In 2015 with Baltimore PD.
Right.
I think you know exactly what I'm talking about.
The unit, yeah. I worked in the Eastern Prison. They were y'all knew what they were doing. We knew what was going on. It's a matter of time. And we already had, we knew the beds were there. But you keep your nose clean. You don't have to worry about.
Well, I'm talking about the offense where you were arrested in Baltimore City.
Me?
In 2015.
I was arrested. I wasn't arrested. Never been arrested.
Never been arrested? Never once?
Never. Never been arrested.
So when I search you in our police database, and your name and date of birth come back with an incident in 2015 with the District of Columbia, which is obviously Washington, D.C.
That's D.C.? Yeah. You say, no. Go take me on APIS right now. Never. I don't know what you're talking
about. Okay.
Can we check my vehicle? Can you check?
Absolutely. If you want to search.
You guys can do it. Go ahead.
He's giving us consent to search the
Open it up.
vehicle.
Look for the bag.
Where's your key at?
So, it's a black plastic bag. It's got some Gatorade in it, and it's got my wallet.
I just want to confirm you're giving us the consent to search the vehicle. I just want to hear from you, yes or no. Are you giving us consent to search the vehicle?
What, y'all are gonna tear my vehicle apart?
We're gonna search the vehicle.
We're
not gonna like.
We're done. All right, we're done. Nope.
No. Okay.
You're not gonna tear my vehicle up.
Okay.
Apply for a search warrant. Do what you gotta do.
Let's remove the gear.
Okay, sounds good.
Let's solve that problem.
Okay.
He kept up his cringeworthy roleplay as a police officer till the very end and was ultimately arrested and charged with criminal impersonation and unlawful possession of a firearm. He pleaded not guilty and was issued a $50,000 bond. But the next officer not only touched but tased an innocent man, and he would receive the ultimate humiliation for that.
He's under arrest.
For what?
For trespassing and for disorderly conduct.
Public property.
On July 28, 2016, officers in Commerce City, Colorado received a report about two protesters causing a disturbance outside a government building. Officers Chris Dickey and Ryan Sedgwick arrived to meet two men singing wild chants with banners held high.
Would you mind just lowering that for me? Would you mind lowering it for me? I don't want it used as a weapon against me, okay?
I'm not going to use it as a
Would you
weapon.
please lower it down for me?
Well, to stay clear of me.
Okay. Gentlemen, we need to talk for a minute, okay? Here's the thing. Yes, you are.
Which crime specifically?
Trespassing.
Trespassing.
You have been asked to leave the property, okay? Right now you are trespassing. Perfectly. Awesome. I totally appreciate that.
That this is public property.
Actually, this is private property that you're on right now. It is.
Who owns it?
The Adams County government.
The Adams County government. Oh, I forgot about his name. Didn't he run for president? No, he's not a person. It's the public. What the is wrong with you people?
Sir?
No justice, no peace.
Please keep an eye out all the way around, please. You've been asked to leave the property.
Yeah.
You are now committing trespassing. Okay? That's all we're asking you to do is to leave the property.
I need your card.
I will give you my information when we're done.
No, you're
okay.
giving it to me now.
No, I will give it to you when we're done.
Before you take any
It's
official action.
it's officer right here.
That's what your thing
Badge
says.
number 2905. Okay.
So, Mr. Why are you removing
It's Officer
me
Dick.
from prop notes, Mr.
I'm removing you from private property because you were asked to
not
leave
private
this
property.
property. Yes.
Do you see any posted signs? No, this is a building open to the public.
The protesters were outside a human services government building and had every right to stay, but they chose to leave anyway and continued their protests on the sidewalk. However, the officer followed behind them, thinking he was right, but would soon discover just how wrong he was.
I need your ID, please, so I can write you a summons.
You will be willing to write me a summons?
Yes.
Outstanding.
I need your ID also, please, sir. Okay, I'm going to place you under arrest then.
You're not placing me under arrest.
Come
You
here.
have no right to ask for any.
Come here. All right. Taser. Got it. Go. He is under arrest.
The protester was hit by one of the tasers, but it was surprising that he could outrun two officers even while holding a big banner. The taser did hurt him, but the officer would receive a much more embarrassing hurt from his supervisor.
He's under arrest.
For what?
For trespassing and for disorderly conduct.
Public property.
Not disorderly.
When he's in front of the business, yelling everybody.
That's not
You see
public
this sign?
property.
It says
Freedom of speech.
You want to know why? Because cops like you keep.
Where's that?
He refused to give me his ID, which he's required to do.
For what?
So I could issue him a citation for trespassing.
It's not trespass.
They kicked him out of the property.
You!
Officer Dickey turned off his body cam, but it was clear that his supervisor would stop any further confrontations with the protesters. At the time of the incident, there were at least 250 complaints filed by citizens against the Commerce City police officers, alleging the use of excessive force, and interestingly enough, Dickey had been the subject of at least 5 such complaints. The taser he deployed remained stuck in the protester's arm and required surgical removal at the hospital. After the incident, he sued Commerce City for violation of his First and Fourth Amendment rights and was awarded $175,000 in settlement. If you like this video, YouTube thinks you'll enjoy these too.